just amazing when the bottom of your closet is getting bare enough that your long stuff actually can like swing and isn't just bunched up from the bottom because of all the stuff that you have at the bottom of your closet. So this is a real victory for me getting here. I have a couple more things left, but I mean, this feels so, my mental health is so supported by this. Thank you. Look who is blooming today. Hello, welcome back. It's Sunday and tomorrow's Memorial Day. We're packing up to go to the shore. We're gonna go down for the week and I think just like lay low for a little bit. And yeah, we're finally out of the woods with COVID. I feel like I was sick for so long. It was such slow going, like getting over it. And I mean, I'm vaxxed and boosted. I only had the one booster, but I was so surprised that it took like a week, maybe 8 or 9 days to feel back to normal. It just like felt frustrating to wake up every morning and sort of just like feel the same. You know, I felt like I wasn't making any progress for like 5 or 6 days, but yeah, so I feel like super rested because I've been doing nothing but rest, really ready to get out of the house and into like just another situation. Like, please. So we're gonna leave, I think, in like an hour and a half. Right now I'm just packing. Sky's still asleep. And yeah, we're gonna get on the road pretty soon. I always get like really anxious before we leave. It's not really anxious. It's more like I get impatient. Yesterday we went to a party for Tom's nephew who turned 1, and it was so fun. But afterward I was like, do I think I can get us packed and to the shore like tonight? And Tom was like, I think maybe we should like rest and go in the morning. And I'm like, no, like I could do it. Like I can definitely do it. And yeah, sure enough, we got home and all I could do was like take a nap. And I woke up from the nap and I was like, there's just no way I could never rally at this point. I'm too exhausted from this 1-year-old's birthday party. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this up and then I gotta wake Sky up and then we have some breakfast and then hopefully we'll be on the road by like 10. boats on the bay. This is called Sunset Lake because the sun sets over it. Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Mommy, what's the one over
super tired, but I'm on my way to get wine and maybe something else. I think we're gonna watch the new Obi-Wan Kenobi show and probably fall asleep watching it. We're going to fall asleep watching the Obi-Wan Kenobi show. That's definitely the plan. But it's a beautiful night. It's kind of like crisp. The sun is just going down. After being here for about 24 hours, I think like a lot of people, we, our family have felt overwhelmed by the world. And just after being here for 24 hours, and I realized that it's a privilege to be able to step out of your world in any way, let alone to like relocate for a short time to the beach. I am very aware of the privilege in this. I feel like, especially after having COVID and just resting in my bedroom for so long, there was definitely this sensation of feeling trapped, and I'm feeling significantly less trapped just by being in like different surroundings. Those are just some of my thoughts from this first 24 hours, that while I'm still extremely scared about the state of things, I just feel like mentally a little unburdened. So if there's any way that you can like step out of your world and step away from your phone and like just connect with some people or a place in nature that'll give you some respite, I recommend doing it. And on that note, this is where I'm gonna end this one. Pick it back up with more shore stuff, but right now Sky and Tom went down to the beach. I took a second to get ready, and now I'm gonna make some lunch and follow them down. And thank you for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in another one soon.